Do you want to know if Swagbucks really is one of the easiest and fastest way to make some extra money online for free, or if it is a waste of time? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different free ways to make money online, and one website that is very popular to earn in different ways is Swagbucks, and I have used it for quite a while. And in this Swagbucks review I'll give you an inside look. I'll show exactly how it works, what you can earn, how much you potentially can earn, and who it is for and who it is not for, so you can easily find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. And if you're not yet a member, I will also show you how you potentially can get a quite good joining bonus just by signing up. So before I log into Swagbucks and show you around, let's first go over who can join Swagbucks. And one of the great things that they have improved over the last period of time is the number of countries, because it used to be limited to only a few countries, but now you can join Swagbucks from more or less all countries. However, how many earning opportunities and which earning opportunities you will have will depend a lot on the country you live in. Overall, the countries where it has the most earning opportunities is if you live in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, France, Spain or Ireland. But you can join from many other countries also, and in some countries also that are not those countries, you can still find a lot of different ways to earn. But some of the earning opportunities I will show you in this video might not be available in your country, so that's just because they have different opportunities for different countries, so that's just something you need to be aware of. You can use Swagbucks either on the website or you can use the Swagbucks app. It's available both for Android devices and iOS devices. The full Swagbucks app also is not available in all countries, so if you cannot find it in your app store, then it might just simply because it's not available in your country, then you can use the website instead. But let's also just quickly go over how you potentially can get a joining bonus if you're not yet a member. In case you decide to sign up after watching this review, then you can get a joining bonus if you join through an invitation link. And I will of course leave a link below to a place where you can find such an invitation link, so you can easily get that joining bonus if you decide to join. But there are a couple of different joining bonuses that you need to be aware of, because if you live in one of the countries that I mentioned, one of the 8 countries where it has the most earning opportunities, meaning US, UK, France, Germany, Spain, Ireland, France, and Australia, then you will be able to get a $5 joining bonus by joining through that link. But you will not get the $5 joining bonus right away. You will get it once you have earned your first $25. Then you will get that $5 into your account. And if you do not live there, then by joining through that link, you will potentially get a $3 joining bonus, but you will get that already when you have earned $3 yourself. And you need to earn those $3 within your first 30 days. Then you will get those $3 as a joining bonus. I just want to make it clear, those terms can change at any time. So in case some changes are there, then I cannot really guarantee that they will not change at some point. But these are the rules for the joining bonus as of recording this video. Also, as you can see on the website, there is an option in some countries to get an extra $10 joining bonus on top of what I just mentioned, but that is if you use these different cashback offers. So if you spend at least $25 in one of the shops that Swagbucks has a cooperation with within 30 days after registering, then you will get these 1,000 points, 1,000 Swagbucks, which will be worth $10. So that can be an extra great joining bonus if you're planning to use the cashback offers. But enough about the joining bonus. Let's now then take an inside look so you can see exactly how it works and how you can earn. So I have now logged into Swagbucks, and let me just start by revealing that it is legit. I have been paid by Swagbucks many times. I'm not going to show you exactly how to get paid. I'm going to talk about the payout options and how much points are worth later, but I'm not going to show you payment proof because I have maybe 5 other videos where I show exactly how to withdraw, and that will just take another 5 minutes to show you. So I'll leave a link in the top corner so you can check out that payment proof. But it does pay as long as you do things honestly. I just wanted to make that clear. But let's now then go over how you can earn. Inside Swagbucks, you have a lot of different free ways to earn. And exactly which options, as mentioned already, will depend on the country you live in. So maybe when you log in, it will look slightly different than what you see on the screen. But overall, I will just show you how you can navigate, how you can find the different options, a few tips to earn more, and then of course also go over how much you can overall earn. And then you can use that to get an idea about how to use it and get the most out of it. Because if I go over every single opportunity step by step, this video would take like an hour because there are so many different ways to earn. So I will give you a quick overview and tour and some tips and tricks that I have learned from using it quite a lot. But you need to look at the top to find the different ways, and you can see then some different other options comes up, but you can also just start by clicking the answer, and here you will then find the service, and the service is one of the things that pays some of the best money on Swagbucks, and sometimes they also have different bonuses available, so you get extra Swagbucks for the service, and you can always see approximately how long it takes. So sometimes it will get good value for your time, sometimes not, and then you can prioritize yourself. And overall, Swagbucks offers a lot of paid service. You can see that one available right now. For me, in some countries there will not be that many paid service. That's just how it is. That depends on where different companies are doing market research at the moment. But this is definitely a section you should make sure to check out, both the service, and you can see there is also something called a daily poll where you can just very quickly answer a small question. And that is something that would only take 1 second. So that's also something you can consider participating in if you decide to join Swagbucks and use the survey option. Once you have then clicked the answer, then you see there is also another menu, and then you can get an overview there, or you can use the top one. So there's quite a lot of options, but you can see it can also become overwhelming. But if you just do it step by step, you see there are many different options. And one other option you should definitely make sure to check out is this shop. And this also is not necessarily available in all countries, but what the shop is, cashback offers, and Swagbucks offers a lot of cashback offers. So if you ever shop online, you can, in many cases, you can see some of the shops that it offers. So if you, for example, shop on Amazon, then in this case right now, you could earn 4% cashback. So if you're going to spend money anyways, why not get some money back into your Swagbucks account for the money you spend anyways? And they work with a lot of really huge websites and companies. And you can also install the Swagbucks button, or the Swag button, or the Chrome extension, they just call it that. Then you will automatically see when you are on different websites if there are any cashback offers, so you do not have to keep logging into Swagbucks and go through that. But if you ever shop online, I would definitely recommend you to also check out this cashback option, because that can give you some really great earnings for money you spend anyways. And in the shop section, you can also see there's something called magic receipts, and this is where you can get paid to upload different receipts. It will not give you huge earnings compared to many of the other earning options, but it can be a fun, extra, little fast way to earn a tiny bit more, but not one of the most effective ways to earn here. I just want to make that clear. If we continue, and I will go over the main categories, then the Discover is basically different paid offers. If you use Get Paid to sites before, you'll know there are many different paid offers, and Swagbucks has its own paid offers. Some of them give really good earnings. Of course, also the ones that get more, they also have some more requirements. Always make sure to click and read the exact requirements. Some of them will require an investment, or you sign up for something, so always read the exact conditions. But you can also use these different offer walls that are more known. You will see many of those on other Get Paid to sites also, but in general, Swagbucks pays quite decently for these paid offers compared to many other sites. So definitely also a section that can really boost your earnings. The next couple of options we'll go over a little bit faster, because as you can see, there's so many options that we also do not want to talk like for an hour or so. But anyways, the watch section is just where you can get paid to watch videos. This is not something where you will make a lot of money. It's just a tiny bit of extra. So if you're just looking for the most effective ways, that's not an option you should go for. Just do it if you really have a lot of extra time. That is not just for Swagbucks. In general, you will not make huge earnings by watching videos. That's just how it is. But they have this in the same kind of category, the search and earn. You can either click there, or you can just use it up here at the top bar and search online. And if you use that browser also, you can use it as a browser in general to search, then you get a chance to win up to $10 when you search, but you will not win every time, so there's no guarantee you will win. You have to be very lucky to win any Swagbucks, so that's just something to be aware of. You can do it, but if you really like the browser you use already, then it's no guaranteed earnings or anything like that, so maybe not the best option, but you can definitely test it out, because it just takes a few seconds to do a few searches, and maybe you get lucky and win some really great rewards. You also have the play section where you can get paid to play different games. This is one place you can find it. You can also go to this Discover section, and there you can find a lot of these apps where you can download for free, and if you just play them for a certain amount, then you will get Swagbucks for free. So that's one option. This one where it's called Play, that does not have those options. This is instead where you will have to spend money when you buy money on these platforms they are linked to, and then you will earn, you see, 4 Swagbucks per $1 that you spend in those games. So that's only if you're going to play those games anyways. Then you can do it through Swagbucks, and then you will earn cash back by doing that. But if you're only looking for free ways to earn by playing, then you should go, for example, scroll down to see the mobile games. You can also see them here. They are in the offer wall section also, but in this case, for example, you can just download them. You just need to install them and play them for a certain amount of time, and then you will get them. So there's different options. You can see down there it says free games also. There's some options there. So that's just something to be aware of. The play section, definitely worth it. Some of them you will have to invest money, but again, it will not make you rich or anything like that. The play option is not one of the most effective, but one of the most fun ways to earn inside Swagbucks, in my opinion. Let's now talk about a potential way to boost your earnings extra. But before going over that, it would be really great if you could take 1 second to just like this video, because it can help it to be seen by more people, and I would definitely appreciate that support. So when you are a member of Swagbucks, you have an option to boost your earnings further by participating in what they call a member recognition program. You just need to be aware that this is not available in all countries. Currently, as of recording this review, it's only available in the US, Canada, England, and Australia, but they are saying additional countries will be added soon. So if you do not live in one of those countries, just keep an eye on it, because then maybe eventually it will become available. And you see it has 10 levels, and you can get some really, really great benefits. You just have to keep earning, and then when you've earned a certain number of points, you will get some extra discounts when you withdraw, or you will get some double money, and sometimes just also one-time rewards. So when you get to the higher levels, you see, for example, you would get here a 25,000 Swagbucks one-time bonus, which is really high, to be honest, and then some other great benefits. And I will go over that next, about how much you can overall earn, and also the payout options we will go over first. So let's talk about that now. So let's now talk about how you can get paid from Swagbucks. And the options I showed you to earn, you can see there's a lot, but there are many small tiny details you can do more to optimize it. I also have a full video with Swagbucks tips and tricks about other additional sites that might not be so clear also. So I'll leave a link in the top corner where you can check that out if you want to take it to the next level. The options I've showed here is a great place to start, but if you want to really dig in deep and know all the details, then you can check out that video to get more tips and tricks about how to get the most out of it. But let's talk about the payout options. That's always important to know when it comes to a get paid to site. And Swagbucks has a lot of different ways you can get paid. The exact payout options and the exact payout threshold will depend on the country you live in. I just want to make that clear. So the rewards you see on my screen now might not be the exact rewards you can find in your country. But overall, it offers a lot of great payout options, whether you want to get paid in gift cards or cash. And you can see they even sometimes have sale on the rewards. So in this case, you would, for example, get 13% off. Sometimes it can be even more. In this case, 12% off. That's definitely really great, because then you will get more for the Swagbucks that you earn. But overall, 100 Swagbucks is worth $1. And in many countries, the payout threshold starts at around $5. Sometimes you can find gift cards that will be less. For example, you can see Amazon gift card is only $3. That means only 300 Swagbucks you need to earn to get an Amazon gift card. So the payout threshold is very, very low and very achievable to do very fast. In some countries, you'll be able to reach this like very, very quickly. They also do have different charities you can donate to if you feel like doing that. That's definitely also a good option then. But you see, these are just some of them. You can search over there, search at the top, or you can go through and check out the different options over there. But let's say I want to check PayPal, and I can just search, and then I can see the options they have for that, because you can also get paid in cash via PayPal. The payout threshold in many countries for that is $5, a low payout threshold for that. So that's definitely one great option also. So you can just scroll through that, or you can click to see all gift cards and get an overview. You see, just scroll through. Right now it's sorted by most popular. It can be a little bit overwhelming sometimes to see all the pages they have with different gift cards, but they also have the categories. So overall, it's easy to get an overview, and you can fairly quickly reach the payout threshold in most countries, which brings me to the next thing we need to talk about. How much can you overall earn on Swagbucks? So Swagbucks is one of the most popular get paid to sites today, and that is because it has so many overall different ways to earn for free. But how much can you then overall earn? Well, I cannot give you an exact answer because that really depends on the country you live in. In some countries, like the 8 countries I mentioned a few times where it gives the most opportunities, you can very easily and fast earn $5, $10, probably do that every day if you really take the time to get to know it, because it has so many different ways to earn that you can always find earning opportunities here. In other countries, it might take a lot of patience, because especially if you cannot qualify for the service, because in some countries you will just not find a lot of service. Then it will take a lot of patience, because if you only rely, for example, on the search option or the videos or the play to earn games where you do not invest anything, then it definitely will take some time and patience. But still, it is great that now it is available in more or less all countries and you can find some good options. But it is mainly worth it in the 8 countries that I mentioned, but in many others it will just take a little bit more patience, but you can still earn some really nice extra money on the side. But it's not a way to make a full-time income, it's not a way to become rich or anything like that. That's very important to understand. But as a way to earn a bit of extra money on the side without any investment, then Swagbucks definitely is a legit and real option. Overall, Swagbucks, in my opinion, is a great get paid to site. Not in all countries, because in some countries there just are better options. But it's still worth checking out in most countries just to check exactly which options are available in your country. If you have any experiences with Swagbucks already, or if you tested a little bit after watching this, then please share in the comments below how many opportunities you have, which options do you have, which options do you not have, and which country you're from, so we can all share our experiences about that, because the opportunities will vary from country to country. But overall, it is a legit site. You just need to do it with the right expectations. They are very transparent about what you can expect and how much time it takes. If it's not for you, that's fair enough, but they are transparent about it. But if you're looking for full-time income, no, it's not for you. If you're looking for some extra free money on the side, definitely it is a legit option. And I do love that it has so many different ways to earn, even though it can almost become overwhelming in some countries. And I do love that it has a low payout threshold and that it does offer to pay out in so many different great ways. If you're not yet a member and want to join Swagbucks, I will leave a link below so you can go to my website there and find the invitation link that will potentially also give you a joining bonus that I talked about earlier. So make sure to check that out. And also, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.